Hey everyone, today I'm showing you my low heat blow dry routine on freshly washed hair using my favorite Tangle Teezer brushes. I'm starting off by applying some heat protectant throughout my hair. Now I'm using Tangle Teezer's detangling brush for fine and fragile hair. I just love this brush because it glides throughout my hair without tugging or pulling. It's also great because if you put any product in your hair, the brush helps disperse it throughout your hair. Now I'm using Tangle Teezer's super quick blow dry vented hairbrush. I have my blow dryer on the lowest setting for low heat so that I don't have any damage. And I'm using the brush to just flip my hair backwards while I'm drying. And same with my bangs, I'm just flipping them backwards, and look how much volume I got with that brush and the blow dryer. It looks super good. Now for some extra volume, I'm going in with the Ultimate Teezer brush, just grabbing a section of hair and then teasing it. And that just gives me that extra volume that I want on the top of my hair. I'm doing the same thing on the other side and then just flipping it over. But look at the volume, guys. It seriously looks super good, and it took me less than 5 minutes.